Hey guys, welcome to the next part of the video. So let's get started. Number 17. Fill dates to the nth value using a series. Let's say we want the first 100 days of the year. We'll use the previous trick to fill this series. So we'll go to fill, click on series, columns, step value 1, stop value of 100 for 100 days, click OK. Then you click on this date, the first day of the year. Then move your mouse to the bottom right hand corner. It turns into a fill handle and double click it. Now we have the first 100 days filled in. Last video of today, number 18, flash fill numbers. I've got a column of product codes here. How do I extract the first 4 digits of this code and do it all the way down here? Instead of typing them all out, I can just type the first one, 6198. Press Ctrl Enter and then press Ctrl E for flash fill. Look at that, just like a flash. It's filled all numbers out. Let's do the same for the middle 3 digits. So I'll type in 786. Ctrl Enter. What's the magic keyboard shortcut? Ctrl E. That flash fills in all the way down, and we'll do it for the last 4 digits. So 9519. Ctrl Enter, and what's again the magic shortcut? Ctrl E. There you go, done. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. For more videos like this, stay connected with us. Till then, have a great day.